What is Qpoints and what is Avios? Is the Qpoints better to focus on or to focus on Avios? Hello there. Under the Privilege Club, the program of Qatar Airways for the frequent flyers, there are two categories of loyalty points to collect: the Qpoints and the Avios. Both of them are representing the amount of numbers. Qpoints is reflecting the progress towards the higher level in the Privilege Club, while the Avios is representing the amount of earned points for rewarding purposes. Avios usually represents high volume of numbers more than what the Qpoints represents. So the Qpoints is better when would like to focus on upgrading to high level in the Privilege Club, and the Avios is better when would like to focus on increasing the account balance to be able to redeem more rewards. Our current reading based on the recent experience and the literature from the official digital channels of Qatar Airways. For more like these episodes to master the arts of traveling and experiences, never hesitate to be the permanent follower for this channel community by subscribing to the XP channel here. Thanks for watching, dear friends. This is Shadi who's talking to you. To the next XP. Have a happy day.